All right. So I'm deciding to send this frontal from Honey Hair Company back. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying for you guys to get natural lighting. So this over here on the right is the closure I got from T-Touch Luxe. And then this is the frontal. I don't know if you guys can see like how black this frontal is. It looks like it's been dyed. Normally when you're dealing with raw hair, you know, you might have people's hair that are naturally black, but they're not like naturally jet black. And you'll see like how you can see this closure on the right. You'll see like different tones where some parts of it look darker, some parts of it looks lighter. This is black all the way through, right? Another thing I wanted to show you. So this is the hair I got from Cadella Beauty. This is natural black. See? Now look at this. I don't know who they trying to fool. This has been dyed, right? And I'm going to show you guys how I know it's been dyed. This is also from Cadella Beauty. Like, what? This has been dyed. I don't know if your vendor just does not know, but like, this has been dyed. And I don't know if you remember, this is my Juicy Hair Affair wig here. And I'm laughing because it's like, it's going to look like it's me again, and it's really not. This has been dyed black with Adore Black Velvet 120. I don't know if you guys recall that. This is even darker than the hair that I dyed. Like, what? Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Like, let's go back for argument's sake, right? It's darker than every natural black wig that I have. Even darker than the hair that I actually dyed black. So I sent them an email last night. They're like, oh, include pictures. And the only picture I had was the one for the video that I made. But yeah, I'm going to go with, I think this has been dyed. And like, I don't know if you guys recall in that video, like you can feel where the hair felt like, where the hair felt stiff. And it still kind of has that stiff feeling. And even though when you're adding color, color does not, it's not supposed to change the texture. When I did this in watercolor, it did make the hair tangle slightly more. Not as bad as that. I mean, obviously curly hair is going to tangle, but still like, there is just no way. So I had to come on here and make that quick video so you guys can see what I'm seeing, because I feel like I'm going crazy. And sometimes I feel like when I say these things, sometimes people might think I'm trying to bash somebody. That's not what it is. Like, and if you guys have been on my channel, you know I got a knack for these things. This frontal is giving dyed vibes. Like, this is not like a natural black. There is just no way. I've compared it to every natural black. It's even darker than the hair that I dyed. Like, what? No one's hair is naturally like jet black. No one's.